How to delete KuCoin accounts. If you'd like to delete your account on KuCoin, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, launch the KuCoin app, and this is the interface you will see. Let's say you decide that you want to delete your account. Tap on the profile icon located at the top left of the screen over there. Over here you will be able to find many options as you can see. Now if you tap on your particular profile, it will take you to this identity verification page. So you can simply try going to settings. When you go to settings, these are all the options that you will be able to find again. But you can see we do not have the option to delete our account over here. So what we can do is we can simply try to go to this option that says security. Then there you can say delete account and tap on it. Understand the terms and conditions, then tap on delete account, and then your KuCoin account will be successfully deleted. This way you will be able to delete KuCoin account. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.